Like I think Rafizi wrote, I want to be PM. So obviously, with the Bersama coming up as a new party, how are those aspirations working right now?
Well, I think, aspiration, cita-cita. I had a dream of being an EPL footballer. So, who played at Liverpool, studied at Oxford,
Okay.
Mimpi tu percuma. Tetapi I think to be fair, if we are driven purely by ambition to get to a certain position dan sebagainya, I don't think Rafizi or I would have left the ministership, nor would we then take that extra move of leaving our elected post, kan? But for us, what is important is to build something new. I mean, I think there is still a chance we can disrupt the system so big that we can make it, but that is secondary. The most important is to drive the change, and we can leave Bersama to the next generation to grow it further.
You have to let go of the mountain to change the ropes lah.
Yes, first time I dengar, but yes. Tetapi bagi saya, bila kami berundur dari kedudukan menteri itu sebab kami kalah pemilihan, and itu satu, tetapi juga cara kalah tu we were very, as we said, there were very big questions about the system. So either way, kalau saya kalah secara adil pun, I would have resigned because I felt that I lost my mandate. But when you lose in that way, then you don't want to be part of that, right? That is from that system. But we don't really talk that much about it because to me that's something yang people don't really care about. It is internal politics. But when we made that decision after that to speak up isu kehakiman, kita speak up isu reformasi kerajaan, isu mafia korporat, SPRM dan sebagainya, kita rasa kerajaan Madani telah cross the red line. Dan bagi kita, bila dah cross the red line, values that we fought for, saya sertai PKR daripada zaman saya 19 tahun, 15 kilo lebih ringan, then I think that we have to reconsider. Dan kami juga dapati pengundi rasa sangat frust, tidak ada pilihan. And with the system that PKR had in the party elections and all that, I don't think we can make a comeback and fight within the system. That's why kita akhirnya memilih untuk step down daripada kerusi parlimen, because kita kata only fair. Kami menang atas tiket PH PKR. So if we don't believe in that anymore, then kita letak jawatan dan kembalikan mandat kepada rakyat. Look at it holistically, and when we are really doing this, but if we are really just about nama, about pangkat, we wouldn't have take this route, okay? Because we took the difficult route in 98, 99, and we went all the way up, and we decided to jump off the mountain and climb up again. At an age where we are heavier and not as fit. So I think that takes something, but it's because we really want to disrupt the market. I still believe we can make up to the top of the mountain, but even if we don't, we are building something where we can pass it to future generations. So I think that shows that we are really not, it's not about ourselves.
Terima kasih kerana menonton Siapa Makan Cili.
Dan kalau korang ada siapa yang korang nak kita jemput ke show kita, sila tinggalkan di ruang komen di bawah.
Dan jangan lupa subscribe.